Hello fellas, happy Holi to all of you. In our last close English session, we teach you about top stitch and today we will tell you how you can customize those top stitch in various ways. So without delay, let's get further. Here we need to create a rectangle again. Let me do that in fast forward. There is one more thing that I need to tell you, that you can apply top stitch anywhere required. Like I am creating this internal line and applying the top stitch by the help of free top stitch tool. This is all about the extra information. Now let's move on to our topic. For this, I will add one more top stitch here. Instead of applying this anywhere, I will assign it over the internal line that we have just created. Now we have two top stitch applied to two different places. After that, we will change our type by selecting new top stitch property from OBJ to texture. Now we can change its texture from material section. You can add any image here. I am importing this adda work kind of embroidery here. After confirming, you can see our result in both the windows. By this way, you can import any other image here instead of normal stitch line to add something unique in your design. Here, you can have all the features like we generally have. So you can add its normal and displacement map to make it more realistic. Currently we don't have both, but if you have in your design, then you can utilize this feature. This is all we want to tell you, and all the changes that we learned in earlier class is same for this too. Now it's up to you how you are going to use it. Enjoy your Holi vacation and make my Holi colorful by pressing the like button and by subscribing to this channel. If you are new here, you can also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any future tip, trick and tutorial. Till then, keep creating. Bye and happy Holi once again.